Alright, this is my bike check. We have flatware cufflink grips, Odyssey power ends, premium whiskey bars, 8.25 rise, 28 width, stock fit stem, FSA headset, stock forks, can to contact tire, stock hub, stock spokes to an alienation black sheep rim, fit PRK3, stolen thermalite seat with the seat post and the hollow bolt, salt seat clamp, premium 48 spline cranks, stolen thermalite pedals, Demolition M5, 23 tooth sprockets. Okay, I just got this half link in my chain, fit better, stock back wheel, spokes, alienation black sheep rim, and a fit FAF 210, not to 2.25, and stock bottom bracket with Odyssey spacers. Well, yeah, whatever they're called. And so yeah, that's my bike check. I just got the grips, the bar ends, and the bars today with the half link. And yeah, these are a lot better. So I recommend premium whiskey bars all the way. They're freaking super light. And these grips they're pretty soft. The only thing I did though is I stretched one out longer than the other. That one is longer than that one. But oh well. So yeah, thank you for watching my bike check. Please subscribe, like, comment, whatever. Thank you for watching.